Did you know you can create realistic avatars like me in Capcut?
Yes, Capcut.
It's absolutely easy.
I know you want to know how I did it.
Well, stick around. I will show you exactly how it's done.
So you open the browser of your choice and type CapCut Commerce Pro. Click the link and log in. Once you are inside the app, you will see the avatar tab and click on it. There you will see all the preloaded avatars. Choose the avatar that is to your liking. Choose the gender, how old, the age you want it to be, background. Just choose from the options and wait for it to load.
Dark clouds rolling with heavy weight.
The avatar will load. When it loads, the lips do not sync with the audio, but this is fixed once you have downloaded the video. You can then edit your script, make it say whatever you want. Mine will say, "Hello, I'm your avatar from CapCut."
Dark clouds rolling with heavy weight. Feeling lost in yesterday's fate. But a little light peeks through the storm. Hope whispers it will transform.
You can then remove the captions or keep them, save the edited text. After you are satisfied with your text, you can then download your avatar, which will come out in sync with whatever you typed in the text box. See how mine came out.
Hello, I'm your avatar. I can say whatever you want me to say.
Hey, if you liked the video, hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell.